Monstera Amydrium medium. Frequently asked questions. Hi, Furbu here. Monstera enthusiast and proud owner of a thriving Monstera Amydrium medium. This unique plant has captured the hearts of collectors with its stunning foliage and manageable size. Today, I'm here to answer some of the most common questions I get about this captivating climber. What is a Monstera Amydrium medium? The Monstera Amydrium medium is a stunning, naturally occurring cultivar of the Monstera Amydrium. Unlike its larger cousin, the Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant, the medium stays compact, making it ideal for indoor spaces. Its velvety, heart-shaped leaves boast a mesmerizing silver variegation, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Monstera Amydrium medium versus Monstera deliciosa. While both belong to the Monstera genus, the Amydrium medium and deliciosa have distinct characteristics. Size. The deliciosa can grow into a massive climber, reaching upwards of 10 feet. The Amydrium medium, on the other hand, stays comfortably between 3 to 6 feet, perfect for apartments or smaller homes. Leaf shape. Both have heart-shaped leaves, but the deliciosa develops iconic splits fenestrations as it matures. The Amydrium medium retains its whole, velvety leaves with stunning silver variegation. Light requirements. Both prefer bright, indirect light. However, the deliciosa can tolerate lower light conditions better than the Amydrium medium, which thrives in a brighter environment. In short, choose the deliciosa if you have ample space and enjoy the classic fenestrations. Choose the Amydrium medium if you have limited space and adore unique silver variegation. Monstera Amydrium medium care, keeping your plant thriving. Here's how to ensure your Monstera Amydrium medium flourishes. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. South-facing windows with sheer curtains are ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aeroids. You can create your own by mixing equal parts potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. Humidity. Monsteras love humidity. Group your plants together, use a pebble tray, or invest in a humidifier to create a more humid environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Monstera Amydrium medium once a month with a diluted balanced fertilizer. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Monstera Amydrium medium versus Epipremnum aureum, pothose. While both are popular vining plants, there are key differences. Leaf shape. The Amydrium medium has heart-shaped, velvety leaves with silver variegation. The pothose has oval-shaped, glossy leaves with various variegations, golden, marble, etc. Growth habit. The Amydrium medium is a climber and needs support. The pothose can both climb and trail. Light requirements. The Amydrium medium prefers brighter light than the pothose, which tolerates lower light conditions. In short, choose the Amydrium medium if you desire a unique climbing plant with striking silver variegation. Choose the pothose if you need a low-maintenance, adaptable plant that thrives in various lighting conditions. Common Monstera Amydrium medium problems and solutions. Problem: brown spots on leaves. Possible cause: overwatering, sunburn, or bacterial/fungal infection. Solution: adjust watering frequency. Move the plant away from direct sunlight and isolate it if infection is suspected. Treat with a fungicide or bactericide if necessary. Problem: leaves curling. Possible cause: underwatering, low humidity, or pest infestation. Solution: water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Increase humidity levels and treat for pests with insecticidal soap or neem oil if spotted. Additional tips: provide support for your Monstera Amydrium medium as it grows. A moss pole is a popular choice. Regularly rotate your plant for even growth. Wipe the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to remove dust and encourage better light absorption. Monstera Amydrium versus Adansonii. When it comes to Monstera Amydrium versus Adansonii, my experience leans towards the Amydrium for its unique leaf shape and size. The Amydrium's leaves are broader and more heart-shaped, which I find visually striking and distinctive in my plant collection. Monstera Adansonii, on the other hand, has smaller, more perforated leaves that give it a delicate appearance. I enjoy caring for both, but the Amydrium's larger leaves make it a standout feature in any room, adding a bold tropical vibe that I particularly appreciate. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Monstera Amydrium medium thrives for years to come. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions about this captivating plant.